I am going to be sharing my detailed wash day routine on my type 4 low porosity and very tangled hair. If you're new here, my name is Mimi and I like to make lifestyle makeup and hair content, so let's get started. I'm going to be starting off with shampoo. For shampoo, I first obviously wet my hair and I like to shampoo in 2 steps. I start by using a very abrasive shampoo. The first one is the Dr. Bronner soap. It's a cast-style soap, so take that as you will, but I basically use that to get my hair preliminarily cleaned and to start stripping and loosening all of the dirt. I rinse it off and then I go in with my second actual shampoo, and this one is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo, where I go ahead and I focus on all parts of my head, starting with my scalp. I make sure to massage my scalp really good to make sure that it is completely clean, and then I also make sure to massage the strands of my hair to make sure that is clean as well, going and making sure everything is like squeaky clean because my hair was extremely dirty. I then go ahead and rinse my hair from the first shampoo, making sure to pull out any loose hair that may be in there. The next step is deep conditioning. I'm mixing 3 different conditioners. So the first is the Carousel conditioner, the Method moisturizing conditioner, and the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle conditioner, and I am mixing them all up and using them as a deep conditioner. So I go ahead and I mix them up in my hand, then I apply it to my hair as much as I can, making sure to kind of push it in with the palm of my hands. Once everything is applied to my hair, I throw on a plastic bag. You can use a shower cap or whatever you have, and then I use a microfiber towel on top because I'm going to be leaving this overnight. I cannot be bothered detangling my hair on the same day, so it's going to be a 2-day process. And with that, we move on to detangling. It is now the next day, and to detangle my hair, I'm going to take off that towel and the plastic bag, and as you can see, this is what my hair is looking like. The product has been absorbed really well into my hair strands. It doesn't even really look like I have that much product in it. So to start off, I go ahead and section my hair off. I'm going to be working in 4 major sections, but one at a time. And using my Denman brush, which is the hair tool, I'm going to go ahead and slowly start detangling my hair, starting at the tips of my hair and slowly working to the middle, then to the roots of my hair. This is going to be the first of my detangling sessions, and it's really just to make sure that everything is as detangled as possible and just go slowly. Once I'm done detangling, I'm actually going to go ahead and twist my hair up into a 2-strand twist, just so everything doesn't go back to being tangled if I just left it alone. Don't mind me here, my husband was telling me jokes and we were just being silly, so that's what I'm doing here, but I'm still focusing on detangling that hair. I am really trying to be gentle because my hair was super duper tangled. Also, remember when I said that the product had been absorbed into my hair really well? You can see as I'm going back and combing it out or brushing it out, the product is there, so it didn't just like completely disappear. It's just chilling on my hair and my hair is actually absorbing it. If you're a low porosity girly, you know what I'm talking about. Like, product just sits on your hair, so you have to have a heat to kind of ensure that it goes into your hair. That is the main reason why I wore that cap and I let my hair basically self-steam overnight. And what I really try to do is I try to tease the tangles out, so I go slowly. If a big section is really tangled, I go section by section, and I'm a tender-headed girly, so I try to hold my hair so I'm not like pulling my hair from out of my scalp. I hold it almost like at the middle point so that I am not yanking it out, basically. That's the tip that I have if you're a tender-headed girly or you just don't want to pull your hair out of its roots, you know? So now that I'm done detangling all the sections, again, you guys know the drill, go ahead and do a 2-strand twist to make sure that nothing gets retangled up. And here I'm just showing you guys my postpartum hair loss. Guys, I had to do a breather because I had to woosah. I was so sad. I was genuinely so sad. So now I'm going ahead and I'm thoroughly rinsing out the conditioner and continuing to detangle my hair. One important thing is water. You need water. Water is so vital to the detangling process, and so I'm actually using the water to help me pull the tangles downward. So with the help of water and gravity, the tangles come down while I'm using my brush, and it makes detangling so much easier. So I'm not trying to be fighting my hair, fighting nothing. I just do that. It's so much easier. Like, detangling in the shower is undefeated. So yeah, if you have a hard time detangling or you dread it, do this. Once you do your like preliminary detangling outside of the shower, step in that shower, girl, and use that water to help you out. Okay, so now once I finish detangling, I do a 2-strand twist for all the sections. Once again, like I said, you know the drill. It's just so everything doesn't get tangled again. Okay, and I always continue to detangle. Okay, that is so important. I just keep detangling because that's the most important thing. My hair is moisturized, it's doing well, it's soft. So now we got to make sure that it doesn't stay tangled. That's really it. Once I'm done with one side, I go ahead and clip it up and we move on to the next. Last but not least, we have styling. So this is my hair straight out of the shower with my 4 2-strand twists that I did in the shower. And in order to style my hair today, I decided to do a blow dry and silk press, but I'll go ahead and link the video in the top right hand corner of this video so that you can watch it if you're interested. But I was utilizing 2 pretty new products to me. The first product is this Revlon round 1-step volumizing blow dry brush. It is a lot better than that other paddle brush that's also by Revlon that a lot of people use. That one I swear was gonna burn my hands off and catch on fire one day. So I really like this one, and this one just does the job just a little bit better because the roundness, you're really able to get even closer to your roots. And then another hair tool that I used was the Steam Straightening Brush by Wavy Talk. This one was going viral all over TikTok, so I had to get it, and I really like it. I've used it twice now, and I am in love. I'm obsessed. It does the job. It's easy on my hands. I don't have to think too hard like I would with a chase method straightener, so I really like it. The video to my right that's playing is how I styled my hair about a week later once my roots started to puff up, and if you are interested in seeing more videos like that, go ahead and follow me on all socials at Mimi Abidemi. I post hair and makeup content there, and I will be linking everything I used in the description box down below. And if you made it this far, you're a real one. You're my real homeschool biscuits. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I thoroughly hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, bye friend!